this is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube. I'm back again with another YouTube video of mine, and today's video is all about my life, my dog, my Jimmy. So this is my dog. मस्ती हुई हुई है, बस प्यार करवा लो, बस इसकी पेट रब करवा लो, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ मामा की वीडियो में, है ना। गाइस अभी जिमी का हो रखा है शेडिंग सीजन एंड इसने भी अपने आप को ऐसे रब किया मेरे ऊपर and his hair is all over my clothes, the sofa. I'll have to clean everything. मैं भी क्लीन करके बैठी थी, अब मेरे को फिर से पूरा क्लीन करना पड़ेगा। करोगे तुम क्लीन? हाँ, जस्ट लुक एट हिम। ये देखो, इसको बस, इसको इसमें मजा आता है, इसको बेली रब पसंद है, इसको है ना, बेली रब करवा दो, बस मेरे ऊपर प्यार करवा लो मेरे को। So today's video is going to be all about my experience in Canada as a dog mom. It might be a long one, so I'm going to divide it into a few parts. What I'm going to cover is how I decided to get my dog, how he came into my life and how he changed it completely. Also going to discuss the licensing, the vaccinations that are required for a dog in Canada. I'm also going to tell you guys what I feed my dog, how I keep him active, what is his routine, and how my 4 years have been with him. People, they're also deciding to get a dog and they're confused whether they should get one or not. I've received like a couple of DMs in the past as well. So I think this video is going to be helpful for the people who are dog lovers or any pet lovers, maybe cat lovers, whatever the expenses in Canada. So I'm going to start with why I got my dog in Canada and how I got him. He's a purebred Labrador and he's golden in color. His name is Jimmy and right now he's 4 years old. He's born on 4th May 2022 and he was 3.5 months when I got him. You might be able to see him roaming around in the background, but he's clearly not interested. So the journey goes back to August 2022 when he came into my life. So I was at a very vulnerable place in my life at that point of time because I had lost my mom. I went back to India. I'd spent some good amount of time with my family and then I returned back to Canada. But I was kind of completely lost. So that was the time when he came into my life. I am a huge animal lover. I love dogs, I love cats, and I always wanted to get a pet. I had decided whenever I moved to Canada and whenever I'm actually settled, I'm gonna get a dog for myself. On 28 August 2022, wherein I found him when I was just, scrolling Facebook and Kijiji because I used to think that I'm gonna get a cat for myself, and then I used to also search dogs. Pictures and all the ads of people posting dog for rehoming, dog for sale, dog for adoption. We were not permanent residents, we were on work permit. I just started working my full-time job. So I was browsing Kijiji wherein I found an ad which stated that there were 2 Labrador puppies for sale and they were listed for $500. We were going to Walmart to get some groceries and वो ad की जो listing थी, the location where the dogs were available for sale, it was just 5 minutes away from Walmart. So I told my boyfriend and there was another friend of ours कि यार एक बार देख के तो आ जाते हैं, like there's no harm in just going and playing with the puppies, and more times I've not played with dogs and everything. So they said okay. So it was an elderly couple who had listed these 2 dogs, and the only reason as to why they wanted to make sure that they get a good family was because they were old and they could not take them out for walks and everything. So they were like कि it's better कि किसी अच्छी family के पास चले जाएं ये. They took us to their backyard and there was a small playpen and there were 2 adorable Labrador puppies playing out there. One was a white one and one was a brown one. The brown one was the one that I got, but the white one was the one which was more energetic. He was playing and the brown one was like more scared and he was sitting in the corner, not interacting. I took some videos. So I came home and I was looking at these videos back to back, and somehow I was so emotionally connected with the brown one because he was not, interacting and something वो अकेले बैठा हुआ था एक कोने में, एंड मेरे को एक बड़ा इमोशनल सा उससे कनेक्ट मेरे को फील हुआ. आई टोल्ड माई बॉयफ्रेंड कि यार इतनी तो कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है नहीं, वी कैन गेट अ डॉग. और मैंने यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस वगैरह देखी, बट ही सेड नो यार मैं अकेले इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक डॉग की उठा सकती हूँ या नहीं उठा सकती. और अच्छा वो मैंने अकेले जाके वो इम्पल्सिव डिसीजन नहीं लिया. आई हैड पीपल इन माई फेवर, और मतलब आई कन्विंस्ड माई बॉयफ्रेंड. डॉग पालना इज़ नॉट ईजी. तो my birthday was about to come in September anyway. I messaged that couple again. मेरे को लगा कि क्या पता शायद थोड़े प्राइस कम कर दे तो शायद maybe things would change and maybe we could get him. She agreed to it. Then I called my boyfriend कि यार वो 300 में मान गई है. बट देन ही वॉज लाइक नहीं यार हम नहीं ले सकते, तू अभी भूल जा जो भी है। तो बस मन मार के आई जस्ट लॉस द होप ऑफ बीइंग अ डॉग मॉम एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। मैं चल फ्यूचर में कभी बन जाऊंगी ये वो, बट यार वो ब्राउन डॉग ना मेरे दिमाग से जा ही नहीं रहा था। उस अगले रात को व्हेन माय बॉयफ्रेंड केम होम, he just randomly said that we are gonna get that dog. और उस वक्त आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, आई बर्स्टेड इनटू टीयर्स। और मेरे को यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि मेरा बचपन का ड्रीम टू हैव अ डॉग, जो कि लैब्राडोर जो मुझे चाहिए था, दैट इज कमिंग ट्रू। को तो पहले बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ, मुझे लगा ही वॉज जस्ट किडिंग अराउंड। उसने मेरे को बोला कि चल, उसने बोला है कि 8:30 तक आप आ जाओ एंड दे हैव मेड हिम रेडी और वी आर गोना गेट हिम होम। कन्विंस देम टू गिव द डॉग टू अस इन $200। तो आई वॉज लाइक ओके। पहले तो मैं रोई, फिर वी सैट इन द कार। कुछ भी सामान नहीं था साथ में रखने के लिए, उस डॉग के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था। बस हम गए उनके घर पे एंड 5-7 मिनट्स की ड्राइव थी। 2 डॉग से उन्होंने ना उनको सेपरेट कर दिया था। लाइक दे हैड केप्ट द वाइट डॉग फेंस के दूसरे साइड एंड द प्ले पेन हैड द डॉग दैट वी वर गोना गेट। सो वो इतना डरा हुआ था, उसका जो भाई था वो पीछे से ही वॉज बार्किंग। एंड उस वक्त मुझे इतना बुरा लगा कि यार मैं इन दोनों भाइयों को अलग करी हूँ। लेडी ने बोला कि उस डॉग के लिए भी, दूसरे डॉग के लिए भी देयर इज अ फैमिली, दे गोना कम एंड पिक हिम टुमारो, इट्स अ गुड फैमिली, मे बी दिस डॉग इज मेंट टू कम टू मी। उसने उसको उठाया एंड मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड को दिया एंड शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. She was also very emotionally maybe connected to these 2 dogs and everything, and they were like, I hope you guys are gonna take care of him the way we did and maybe give him a better life than what we could offer to them. तो उसको देख के मैं भी रो पड़ी, मैं फिर इमोशनल हो गई। डॉग मेरी गोदी पे दिया एंड आई वॉज सो स्कैर्ड टू होल्ड द डॉग। मुझे डर भी लगता था डॉग से, बट देन वो मेरे से ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था बेचारा। फिर मैंने उसको रखा, फिर मैंने उसको ऐसे प्यार किया एंड आई वॉज लाइक इट्स ओके, आई एम योर मॉम नाउ एंड यू आर इन गुड हैंड्स, आई एम गोना टेक केयर ऑफ यू। उस वक्त मैं इतनी ज़्यादा इमोशनली कनेक्ट हो गई। देन वी केम होम, वी डिडंट टेल एनी ऑफ आवर हाउसमेट्स दैट वी हैड गॉट द डॉग एंड व्हेन एवरीवन सॉ हिम they were like कोई घर में टॉय आ गया छोटा सा। came in the living room, we were sitting together wherein this little puppy was extremely scared and we didn't know shit about how to handle a dog and everything. We didn't know what to feed him, we didn't know what to name him. Then हुआ हमारे dog का नामकरण, which my boyfriend had given him this name Jimmy. Then we took him to our room, which was his first night. He was like so scared, but जब light white off हो गई, he kind of got up, he roamed around and he had his food, water for him. He also did like pee and poop in the room. So when the reality started kicking into me was when he had pooped in my room and I had a poop bag and I had to pick that poop up. Because थोड़ा different feeling थी, मैंने कभी किसी dog की poop नहीं उठाई, but भाई उसको क्या पता कि उसको कहाँ poop करनी है. He was not washroom trained and everything. Second reality kicked in when I think I had checked my pajamas. I was wearing a black PJ and it was like all covered with dog hair and I was like, मतलब थोड़ा मेरे को अलग सा लगा यार कि एकदम साफ सुथरे कपड़े और अब पूरा हर जगह hair. But those feelings were not that strong as what I felt for my dog. वो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा उसके लिए मेरे को emotions और प्यार मेरा उभर आया था अपने डॉग के लिए. बोला ये बाल कुछ नहीं है, ये पूप कुछ नहीं है, ये मैं उठा लूँगी. मेरे को मेरी लाइफ की सबसे ज़्यादा एक हैप्पीनेस मिल गई थी उसके आने पे. तो ये सब तो मेरे लिए बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें थी. दिस वॉज हिज चाइल्डहुड, हाउ ही केम इन टू माई लाइफ. ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो गई. एनी क्वेश्चंस जस्ट ड्रॉप डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. आई विल बी ग्लैड टू आंसर देम about pet ownership in Canada. And I'll also I've made a separate playlist for the dog videos. So any vlog, any dog videos, any cute dog stuff that I shoot, I'm gonna put in this playlist. Thank you for watching my video and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Radhika Saxena Arora, and I'll definitely post more and more informative videos for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and take care. Bye bye.